This is me, Jameson88, hosting my own fashion show. The pattern is, the theme is pattern or yellow. They get to pick, and here are the contestants. Pattern or yellow is the theme. Let's use it first. Electra Bunny. Choose Electra Bunny right here. Good job for her. Yellow or pattern? Let's use an Elast. Emma 3030. Electra Bunny still in first. Now they have to pose for the camera. One. Pose. Electra Bunny is probably going to be the winner. Winners for round 1, Electra Bunny. Those two are out. Theme. This theme is holiday. Rated very hard. Let's use them first, shall we? Electra Bunny's in first again. Who's in last? Lulu. Here's first place. Here's first place. Let's look at those scores again, shall we? Lulu's still in last with Electra Bunny leading first with 1,306 points. Those are the winners. Today she would. Lisa Party is the loser today. I'm sorry, Lisa Party. Final theme. The boy has to dress up in this, and the girl has to dress up in this. Let's see who will take home the gold. They're getting ready. Making sure their outfits are nice and good. Ooh, look at Electra Bunny. Oh, but I think the boy's gonna go home with the gold. Let's see. Tanisha. Pinrick is going home in the gold today. Unless Electro Bunny can get her 400 to a 481. Let's see how the poses work. First, second, third. First, second, third. See who's going to be the winner. Final winner is Electro Bunnies. Take home the gold. Yay, Electro Bunnies. Thank you for watching Jameson's Model Show. Brought to you by The Jameson.